Hi guys, today we're going to work with verbs in the present tense. So we're going to keep adding on to our knowledge of verbs in present tense, but we're going to work mostly on where do we add an S, where do we add ES, and where do we add IES. This is going to depend if the subject, if the noun of your subject is singular or plural. So look at the text box right here. It says to add an S to most present tense verbs when the noun in the subject is singular. So what is singular? Singular means one. Okay? So if singular is one person, place, or thing, the subject of your sentence is singular, then you're going to add S. Okay? Let's keep going. Now, notice that it did say most present tense verbs because not all of them are like that. Sometimes we have those irregular ones that we just have to work on and remember. Let's keep going. It also says for most verbs that end in Y, change the Y to an I and add ES. So we're going to add IES. And that is if the subject is singular. Okay? Here we go. Keep going. Do not add an S to the verb when the noun in the subject is plural. So plural, what is plural? What does plural mean? See if you got it. It's two or more, right? Two or more, and that makes it plural. The next bullet point, do not add that S to the verb when the subject is I or you. So the verb will not get, this is something special. I'm going to put, see, we're not going to add that S. No S for I or you. For I or you. Okay. Let's take a look at the examples that they're giving us. Mario eats in the kitchen. So if Mario eats, what's our subject? And Mario eats in the kitchen. The subject happens to be Mario. So if Mario eats in the kitchen, are we going to, is there more than one Mario? Let's figure that out first. Is he singular or plural? Singular or plural? He is singular. There's only one Mario, right? So he's only one person. Mario eats. If he's singular, do we add the S? Yes, we do. So our verb is eats. Mario eats. Is it an ES? Is this how we spell eats? No way, Jose. No way, Mario. Just an S. Single S all by itself. Mario eats. Take a look at the next sentence. He studies alone. What is the subject in he studies alone? There's only 3 words. I hope you got it. He is our subject. Is he singular or plural? Is there more than one he? Or is it singular and there's only one he? It is singular. So, are we going to add an S? Yes, we do. But wait, not just an S. How does it end? How does study end? The word study ends in a Y. So we have to have not just an S, but we have to add the IES. Just like our spelling rules, okay? So he studies. That's where their spelling rules are coming in. So it's not going to be studies. It's also not going to be like this. Look at this. Look how funny this looks. Studies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's way too many of that. Too many of those sounds. Whew. Let's get rid of those. No way. There we are. Okay. Next sentence. We eat together. What is the subject in we? Eat together. I kind of gave it away. We is the subject. Is we singular one person or plural two or more? You're right. It's two or more people. We eat together. So, eat together. Eat is our verb. That's our action verb, right? We eat. Are we going to add the S if it's plural, two or more? No, because look, listen to how that would sound. We eat together. That sounds really weird. We eat. It doesn't work. It doesn't agree. All right, next sentence. We study together. We just did one of those. So the subject is we. Is we singular or plural? Plural. It's two or more people. So we study. Two or more. We do not change it to IES. Next one. I eat alone. Let's see. Let me finish this one up here. There we go. What is the subject in I eat alone? You got this. I is the subject. So our verb is eat. It's underlined for us. I. Do we need to add the S? Because looky here. We wrote this down already. No S for I or you. That's the subject of our sentence, right? So make sure that you're not adding I eats alone. That just does not work. It's just I eat. Look at the next one. I study with my sister. What's our subject? You're right. It's I. Study is our verb. I study. Because it is an I, we do not add an S or IES to our verb. Okay? All right. That is just the first part there. Now that you have 4 more to do all by yourself right there. There's only 4. I think you got this. Okay? Go ahead and do that. When you're all done, then you can go to the next slide and check your answers. Bye.